Hey folks, welcome back to Simple Details. Welcome to another vlog. Today we have a huge project coming your way. We have the 2022 Audi RS7 that we're getting ready to do a lot of major work to. Now, not only are we going to be protecting this, but we're going to give it some nice performance mods, definitely some aesthetics, and we're going to get this looking a whole lot better, a whole lot more aggressive. So take a look at what we have here now, because at the end of this project, it's not going to look the same. We have a lot in store for it, aesthetically and performance-wise. We're going to go ahead and replace the intercoolers. On top of that, we're going to go ahead and replace the stock downpipes with the Sport Cat downpipe. We have also Eventuri's intake. From there, we have the lowering module. We also have an urban kit that we're going to be applying, adding some exterior carbon fiber to this. Tune that's going to be coming in that we are going to be doing courtesy of VF Engineering, bumping this up from 591 horses up to 790 horses with 800 pounds of torque. So lots to do. Once we're finished with all the performance mods and aesthetics, then we are going to also move on to now the protection of the vehicle. So what we will be doing is protecting this entire car with the XPEL Stealth Paint Protection Film, changing it from this gloss black that you see before you to a satin black. So you get the best of both worlds. You get a custom look along with the protection that you get with the paint protection film. Then of course, we will ceramic coat it. So we have a lot, as you see, lots to do, because at the end of this project, it's going to look totally unrecognizable. Okay guys, so we have now removed the bumper. Notice that we have two intercoolers, both on the right and left side here. Now with that said, it also has the stock rubber shrouds. This is going to be replaced. We're going to remove this, take out all the piping, but as you notice, what's going to take place of this rubber shroud here is going to be these beautiful things. Wagner Tuning went a step further, not only with their intercoolers, but then of course the shrouds, which is made out of full carbon fiber, beautifully done. Even though you're not going to be able to see it behind the bumper, you know, again, it's this extra step that we take to go ahead and make sure that we put quality parts on here. You're probably wondering at home, why are we replacing the intercoolers? Can we just slap on intake system and can we just do a flash tune and be done with it? We can, but Chris.
Well, it depends on where you're trying to go at what power levels. If you're trying to get to stage 2, you're definitely going to have higher boost even on stage 1, but at stage 2 you're going to be pushing a higher pressure, which in turn creates more boost, which creates more temperature, right? So you want to increase the flow and the cooling capacity of the intercoolers. Same thing goes for the intake, and then you start doing downpipes, and then you're pretty much in preparation for stage 2. We're just getting them started. The tuning company hasn't actually come out with their stage 2 software yet, so it's going to be ready for it. It will just need to be flashed for that point.
What ends up happening is on a hot day, this is going to create what we call heat soak. Heat is going to be retained within the fins. The horsepower is going to start dropping. I mean, when we say drop, it drops drastically until it cools back down to a certain temperature. So we're going to get ahead of that problem, be proactive. All right, let's get started. Dougie Doug, Dougie Doug.
Okay.
Easy breathing, getting more volume of airflow into those turbo inlets.
Get her sounding and spooling, making
That's-
noises.
That's gonna sound f***ing awesome. There we go.
Let's open up the
It
valves.
just opened up.
Now let's not get carbon monoxide poisoning. Let's open this door.